Hello my friends, welcome to my channel, and today I want to show a LV bag. Yes, the bag it's not very big. You can see the bag like this, and the bag has one golden chain. Yes, you can see the chain, the golden. It's golden. It's very shiny. Yeah, it's very shiny. Yeah, you can see. Here's the logo. Yes, there's a logo too, and the buckle. You can see it's golden, it's shiny. Now the side, yes, here is the chain, and the chain can be removed by the buckle. And the back, you can see here's a logo, Louis Vuitton. Another side, okay. Yes. You can take the bag by your hand, yeah, like this, or by the chain on shoulder, yes. Now I will show you the inside of the bag, okay. Okay. Here's the buckle, yeah, magnetic buckle, yes. Okay, this is the buckle. It's gold, it's shiny, and there is a pocket. Yeah, you can see the pocket, and here also the pocket by the zip. This is the zip. You can see the zip, and there's pocket. Okay, and there's also a pocket, and some small pocket. You can put cards here. You can see, put some card. Yeah. Okay. Here is also a pocket. Very good. Okay. Okay, this is a bag. The bag. Okay. And this is a box. The box, invoice and some accessories. You can see. Silk ribbon and a dust bag. Okay, if you are interested in the bag, you can contact me. Thank you. See you.